Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY here. Just thought I'd do a quick video on, it's more of a tip on how to change the clock on your dashboard, the date as well, for this Vauxhall Zafira B, but it's likewise as well for the Vauxhall Opels, depends which part of Europe you're from. I'm just going to take you through it really. I've had to change this, it's gone back to 0 purely because I've just swapped the battery out. I've done some work on the car. Batteries come out and put it back in, it's all set back. So this is how you do it. So basically press this button here and that change, you have to hold it a little bit and that changes it, and then this button here, and then just put it up to what date it is, which is the 29th I believe, and then for the next one then go back to this button then and press it again. So keep pressing it, goes up to the second, then press it back again, and then we're on to the year now, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Press it again, up to the time. Time is, what's the time? It's 10:30, so straight away. Press again to go over. So keep pressing it until you get to where you want to go. It's very easy once you know how, but like with a lot of cars, you get in there and you think clock needs changing, don't know how to do it, especially if you haven't got a manual or something like that. So this is just a bit of help, very bit of, it'll just go off on its own eventually, and that's pretty much how you do it. That's how to change your clock and your date on your dashboard. I think it goes off on its own. Oh, there we go. Press the button just to finish off. There you go. Job done. Okay, hopefully this helps you, for you Vauxhall minded people. Thanks for watching.